In this video, we're gonna go through a quick and easy overview of noteit widget, how to use it. So there are already a bunch of apps which have similar names, which are called noteit. I think this was the original one app which went viral back in February, I think. And then there is this one which is also really nice to use app. This is noteit widget. Get it now from Iconic Hearts developer. So that's basically it. So in a nutshell, you just need to add noteit widget. So get this app, create an account, add the widget to your home screen, link with your partner, and then send a note right to their home screen. So let's just go through these steps. So here's noteit widget app. I just created an account. You can sign up here. And then you can just tap and hold. You see the apps are jiggling, and then you just can search for noteit. I have two noteit widgets. Here is this one with the heart, and I can just add a widget, and there you have it. Then I added my widget, but of course I need to add friends in this widget, and then I will be able to send notes to them. I need also to link a partner, so I can just design a note, and then I can send a note. It will be soon on a partner device, but I think you are linking your partner. So here it is. So you are linking your partner when you are creating an account. So that's basically it. You can send notifications for new notes. You can send some feedback. But anyways, let's just sign out. So I just want to sign out. And then I can create an account either with email, or I can sign up with Apple, like this. And then I can, so this is the process. So this is my screen, and I need to enter my partner's code to finish this, or share my link code, and then you need to enter your partner's code. So something like that. So you need to have that partner's code. So you share your link code like this. You can just okay, you can just send it to me. So that's the idea. And then after you did that, when you create in your account, you will be able to proceed.